Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how Julius can do a budget versus actuals analysis for you. So using these notebooks that are preloaded with all of the context and instructions that Julius needs, the only thing that you have to do is actually just in step 1 here, where you need to upload your data source. So I have a sample data set that we can use for this here, but you can upload your actual, and all you have to do is upload it. So I've got some sample data here, I've uploaded it, you can see it's loaded in. Now, all I have to do here is just click this button in the top right, Run All. Julius is going to go through and do all of it. And at the end of this, you'll have charts, analyses that you can send directly to your boss. So I'll see you guys when this is done running. All right, we're back. So Julius went ahead and completed this entire analysis. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to walk through it. So first it did an overall variance overview where it followed these instructions here. If you go through, you can actually see that Julius wrote Python code for each step. So if you want to be able to go through and retrace the logic that Julius did, you actually can by reading the code. But if you're not interested in that, you can go straight to the results here for each step. You can see it made us a list of key findings, and it made us these charts that actually look really good. It did the same for step 2. It did a category level analysis, made this table, more key findings, and some really nice looking charts that you can send straight to your team. It also did trend identification in step 3. Again, here's the Python code. Went through and it made a quick summary here, a table, some more charts, and some overall key findings and recommendations that you can go ahead and you can send off right away. So that's going to conclude our series here. That's what Julius can do for you and a finance team. All you got to do is get your data, upload it to one of our notebooks that we've created, and get started. And if there's any other more specific stuff that you need to do, you can actually pretty simply create your own notebook or get into a chat and ask Julius to do whatever you need. See you guys in the next video series.